You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3.
And then now that we're done with that, we have our new thing for today on the back side. Let's get our old friend, the clock, out. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock, so that's ocho, right? What time is that? It's 8:30, that's 8:30, right? What time is that? Okay. Well, if you don't know, and you probably don't because you haven't been told, let's go ahead and see if you can remember how to count by fives. You remember how to count by fives? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay? So with a clock like this, okay, we count by fives. Every one of these numbers, they cannot, if the small hand is pointing at you, it tells you the hour, right? The hora. If the big hand is pointing, it tells you the minute, right? This is 9 o'clock. This is 9:30. This is 9 en punto. This is 9:30. But these numbers at the end can also be used to tell the other minutes by counting by fives. I'll show you what I mean. This is 9 o'clock, son las 9. Son las 9:05. 9:10. 9:15. 9:20. 9:25. 9:30. 9:30. 9:35. 9:40, 9:45, 9:50, 9:55, son las 10. See how this works? Every one of these numbers means 5 minutes, 5 minutos. Okay? So the numbers we're looking at here are this one, the 3, and this one, the 9. What time is it? Well, here, let's use 8 o'clock. Okay, what time is it? ¿Qué hora es? Son las 8. Right? It's 8 o'clock. What time is that? Son las 8:30. What time is this? That is 8:15, 8:15. It's also called 8:15. Do you remember this page here? Let me grab this out again for you. This page here. Okay. We saw a circle in 4 parts. Well, a clock is a circle. So if we split this circle into fourths, into cuartos, just like this, then we can see this. See this? Now it's split into 4 parts, and every part has 3 numbers in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? This is 8:15. 8:15. Okay? 8:15. I'm not really worried about calling it 8:15 and all that because because they don't do that here in Honduras. Okay, but we're going to call this 8:15. When you see this, let me write this down for you. When you see this, it means that, right? It's 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. When you see this, it means 8:30. 8:30, right? When you see this, it means 8:15. When you see this, it means 8:45. Okay? This means 15 and this means 45. Eso significa 15, eso significa 45. So, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What time is that? It's 10:30. 10? What time is this? It's 10:15. 10:15. What time is this? 10:45. 10:45. All right, now look at this. The small hand looks like it's pointing at the 11. So sometimes people will see that and they'll say, oh, it's 11:45. No, it's not. Because you can see the little hand isn't quite pointing at the 11. It's between the 10 and the 11. It's between, entre el 10 y 11. So we go to the one it's past, the 10. Okay? This is 10:45. All right? This is confusing. Especially if you don't speak English. This is confusing. So we're going to be spending a lot of time doing this. Okay? So if you're not understanding it right now, don't worry. I'm here to help you. Okay? I'm pretty sure that this is not on your test on Friday, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay? So let's take a look at a few more. Again, this would be really so much easier if we were in class together, but we're not. So we're going to have to just muddle through the best we can. What time is that? It's not una. What time is that? 1:15, 1:15. What time is that? 1:30, 1:30, 1:30. What time is that? 1:45, 1:45. Las 2 en punto. 2:15, 2:30, 2:45. 3, 3:15, 3:30, 3:45. 4, 4:15, 4:30, 4:45. 5, 5:15, 5:30, 5:45. 6, 6:15, 6:30, 6:45. 7, 7:15, 7:30, 7:45. 8, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45. See how this works? All right, let's try it out on this paper here. That first clock is set like this. time is it? It's 8:45. 8:45. Okay. 8:45. What the next clock says this. What time is that? 2:15. See how that works? Okay. The third clock, this one right here, says this. What time is that? 4:15. 4:15. The next clock says this. What time is it? If you said 10:45, you're wrong, because it's not quite pointing to the 10. It's not quite pointing to the 10, right? It's not 10:45, it's 9:45. Okay? Okay. Don't worry about writing that down on this, okay? Okay? Don't worry about that right now. We'll worry about that another day. Okay? So that's what these clocks say. Let's do this one now. That one says 6:15. So you can see it's pointing toward the 6. We want our clock to say 6:15. So how should our clock look? It should look like that. Can you make this clock look like that? Okay. How about this one? This one says 6:45. So it should look like that. Can you make this clock look like that one? 6:45. 6:45. What time does this clock say? Write this one down here. Well, the small hand is between the 2 and the 3. So it's not quite to the 3, so it's still 2 o'clock. And it's pointing to the 9, that means 45. It's 2:45. 2:45. How about this one? What time is it here? That is 11:15. If you're still confused, don't worry. We have plenty of time to work on this and learn it, all right? Okay. It can be a little confusing. I understand that. Don't be scared. Okay? I'm here for you. And we'll go over this a lot more in the weeks to come. Okay? Okay. And now, I'm going to give you some... You know what? This video has gone on long enough. This video is already too long. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and stop this there. Right? You know by now how to do these, so I'm not going to worry about that too long. Okay, this video is already way too long. Let's go ahead and stop it right now. Okay? Okay.